Have you ever gazed at the moon and wondered how it came to be? This celestial body, our closest neighbor in the cosmos, holds a mysterious and violent past. Its formation is a tale of cosmic proportions, a dramatic saga set against the backdrop of the early solar system. The moon doesn't just add beauty to our night sky. It plays a pivotal role in shaping our planet. The gravitational dance between the Earth and the moon gives us our tides, stabilizes our planet's tilt, and even slows our rotation. Its silvery glow has captivated the human imagination throughout history, inspiring countless works of art, mythology, and scientific curiosity. But the moon's origin story is far from serene. It traces back to a time when our solar system was a chaotic battleground, a place where planets and protoplanets were constantly on a collision course. The birth of our moon was not a peaceful event but a cataclysmic collision that forever changed our planet. Around 4.5 billion years ago, Earth was not alone in its orbit around the Sun. It had a companion, a Mars-sized body that scientists have named Theia. Theia and Earth shared the same celestial neighborhood, dancing around the Sun in a cosmic waltz. But this dance was not destined to last forever. In this cosmic ballet, Theia, perhaps drawn by Earth's gravitational pull, veered off its course. The inevitable occurred. Theia collided with Earth in a violent celestial encounter. This was not a gentle tap, but a massive impact, the kind that changes the course of history, or in this case, the course of a planet and its moon. The force of this collision was so immense that it sent a vast amount of debris from both Theia and Earth, hurtling into space. Picture this: rocks, dust, and gases, a chaotic cloud of cosmic rubble spinning and whirling around our young planet. Over time, this debris, bound by the laws of gravity, began to coalesce, to come together, and so, from the remnants of this violent collision, a new celestial body began to take shape. This was the birth of our moon, born out of catastrophe, yet destined to become Earth's constant companion in its journey around the sun. You might be wondering, how do we know all this? What evidence do we have? Well, the clues lie in the rocks. The rocks on Earth and those on the moon share striking similarities. Their composition, their isotopic signatures all point to a common origin. This evidence lends strong support to the impact theory of the moon's formation. And so, in a universe filled with peaceful stars and violent supernovae, our moon stands as a testament to both. It is a product of a violent encounter, yet it has become a symbol of tranquility, of constancy, of the enduring connection between Earth and the cosmos. From a celestial catastrophe, a new companion for our planet was born. A companion that continues to light up our night skies, reminding us of our place in the grand scheme of things. Over billions of years, the moon has evolved into the familiar face we see in our night sky. Its surface, scarred by countless meteor impacts, has transformed into a vast expanse of craters and plains. These moonquakes, as they're called, have given rise to the moon's distinctive seas or maria, which are actually vast dark basaltic plains formed by ancient volcanic eruptions. Beyond just its physical changes, the moon has also played a significant role in shaping our own planet. The gravitational pull between Earth and the moon causes the rise and fall of the tides. This lunar tug-of-war has not only influenced the rhythm of life on Earth, but has also slowly been pushing the moon away from us at a rate of about 1.5 inches per year. The moon we see today is a testament to a violent past and a constant companion in our journey through the cosmos. The moon's formation is a tale of cosmic proportions, a story of collision, destruction, and rebirth. Let's take a moment to reflect on this incredible journey. From the violent collision between Earth and Theia, to the scattering of innumerable fragments into space, and finally, the coalescence of this debris into the celestial body we now know as the moon. A process of unimaginable scale and power, a dance of physics and gravity that unfolded over millions of years. The moon's presence has been pivotal, influencing the tides, stabilizing our planet's axis, and shaping the rhythms of life on Earth. It's not just a silvery disk in the night sky, but a testament to the inherent chaos and beauty of our universe, a reminder of our place within this vast cosmic theater. So next time you look up at the moon, remember the extraordinary and violent events that led to its creation.